style on the style me, you know. And you all up Panara and Walla and Panara, you go on and you... Listen, remember me tell you, I have a beating for gear.
And that I think me I talk about. And that me I run from, you know. Me no want no physical thing I go on. A shame on the woman come my bar to get her juice. Me mean get the juice. What vicious I sell. Saying, and that she forward down the far. It's a public space and you make it look like a me she forward to. Omega, me not tell you say, after we go on, I'm in a station. Me call you up on your phone and say, come link me down at juice bar. So, I style you. If you tell Lana to forward down there, and you are forward down there. I idiot thing you think, man. Or if you feel say me and Lana in a something, I never tell Lana. No, but here what? You see, fighting thing, that me I tell you say me no want go on. Because right now, the whole of people them down a rally, I look and we are weird. And I say, what kind of banger and Rasta man in that? Are you me look at you, hey, yo, Lana.
Alfred! Alana, you call me.
No, hear me.
Alana, you call me again?
I mistake, me make, hear me.
Alfred, come on.
Omega.
Alfred, lift up.
Hold on. Omega, sit down.
Shoot, my heart.
Sit down. Hear me, sit down. Omega, hear me, I say this.
Alana, you want?
No, I don't Lana, I want her, you, I want, then you, I have. How you talk about?
No, man.
Just calm yourself, no, man.
This
And you are
this me tell you about Lana.
because you call up the woman name.
Mommy?
What you mean?
Call people name and she up in my thing.
Up in a which thing?
Up in a your thing.
She up in a which
Up
thing?
in a your thing.
Fire for that! How you talk about? Fire for that! Up in a which thing? Nobody know up in my thing.
From she na your thing, she na my thing. Me no
No,
know what
me
thing
no know
she
about-
na for you,
Hey,
but she na something.
Omega, me no want no more argument about Lana Star. And that me I tell you. And that's why me there.
Lana trouble me.
Me there to tell you, say, me not have no more dealings with her. Remember, say me give up the farm now, you know.
And she not
that's
leave there
true.
alone. She find you anywhere you're there. You know see that?
Here, me just want you to calm yourself and know, say, me there to show you, say, moving forward, and me and you, just stop call up the woman name Star. Because when you call up her name, you make me
Pick up here.
Me not pick up
I
here.
pick. Bumbo clean no. Jaja. You see this?
Omega,
I pick up here.
we can't talk about something more positive now.
Alana, me a talk about.
What you want
When
to
me
talk
come through this place, you have to talk about that. And that we are deal with.
I hear these voices in my head. I'm tripping. I'm trying not to listen. I'm distant. I'm trying not to lose my mind, but it's working me overtime. And I think that it's about time that I read the signs. I hear these voices in my head. I'm tripping. I'm trying not to listen. I'm distant. I'm trying not to lose my mind. It's about time that I read the signs. I hear these voices in my head. I'm tripping.
You see what we are doing so right now? Not help the situation. That's why I tell you, say, stop overreact. Me alone, I'm in nothing. And the fact that I'm there, so with you, that means I have something need for that. I tell you, say, I give up the farm now, you know. So I have to pre some different business venture. And positive things I want to talk about with you. I don't want to talk about this. We're in a relationship and we have go through some things, yes. But I have something there.
Come on, ask you something. They talk to Lana from that.
And that's how we're going back. Lana now talk to me. Because she feel like you're this side, so. We don't even depend on talking terms right now. I mean, I tell you something that not coming for talk about.
Alright. So why you decide to fully give up the farm?
Place unstable now, so I have to prove something different here now, you know?
What do you mean by unstable? Somebody else come up there?
No, you know. Just that the whole place kind of unstable, man. A whole heap of youths lose them lifestyle. I remember say, me have to pass through top hill, me have to pass through hilltop, and with the right in the middle there, so I not go wait till nothing jump off, you know, because life is the greatest, so I really decide say, I better me just pray something different, you know.
But Alfred, food is the staff of life, you know. And enough people that depend on you, including your friend Lana.
Yo, me I tell you a star, you nah let it go. You know say food is the staff of life, but you have to have life to be able to partake in that food there. And them say when one door is closed, the next one is home. I might pray if you go back in our farming things still, cause some Mullins did make that link there for me. So what I'm going to do is reach out to him and find out if he can make a next link. But in the meantime, I have some other things I pray, you know?
Okay. Okay. So I'm always chasing.
She step on the morning, you know, Omega. Can't help him, man.
What do you mean? You just leave him on his own. Can't just leave him on his own. So. And now I got expect you to do that.
Them say you can lead a horse to the water, but you can't force him to drink it. And lead him to a better way of life. Because remember when me go through, you know the things that when me go through. I mean, I try with you, and you disappoint me, man.
I understand that. I'm not gonna lie, I understand. But I don't want time I get in trouble like Fred. And you get chances, right?